how to make a simple ball game with Pictoblox. So firstly we are adding our first sprite, which is the paddle, and the ball touches it and goes away. So for this coding we have positioned it to x1 minus 179, which is down, and then if right key is pressed the x changes in positive, and if the left key is pressed it changes in negative, and we have to make two of them. Now it is the time to add up our main sprite, which is the ball. So firstly we are positioning it on the board. After that it will glide to paddle 1, and we have written that if it is touching paddle 1 then it will slide to y179, which is upside, and to x random, which means in any direction. The same we have written for the other paddle also. And the next we have written, if it is not touching the paddle then all the scripts in this code will be stopped. Now in this code we are giving value to our score. So firstly we have set the score to 0, and then when it touches paddle the score will change by 1 and it will play the sound point. Here we have added the background sound. Now we are running this program and it is running perfectly. Thank you.